What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Wanted to show you guys a quarantine project. Number I don't remember. It's a Badland 5,000 pound winch. Kind of mocked it up myself. So I've had this winch for some time. It's just been sitting in my garage. Never really did anything with it, and never set it up on my trailer, my flatbed trailer, when I go and pick up cars. And I would always have to make sure that either the car was running or it could at least be in first gear and roll up the trailer or something. Not anymore. Got this thing set up. Out of the box, it came with the fair lead, came with all that, came with all the wiring, and then your solenoid box. Then you have your different remotes here. Oh, this is just one of them. I got the other one in the box still. But what I did was, when I was trying to figure this out, I wanted it to be fully removable, where there was nothing left on the trailer, just to kind of deter thieves. That way people didn't see it on the trailer or anything like that and maybe want to steal it or steal the whole trailer. I like it. I don't want that to happen. So I wanted everything to be able to be removed at one time. The wiring, the winch, just everything. I didn't want to leave anything behind. What I'm probably going to do for power, I have it set up for a battery right now. Let's see if we can see that. I got them on there. They're connected. But what I did was, so this 5,000 pound winch, it doesn't fit on the Harbor Freight mount when you first buy it. What I had to do was drill my own holes and get it to line up that way. What happens is it'll actually line up with two of the holes, either the two front ones or the two back ones, but then you have to drill into the middle here, which is really easy. It actually went through with a metal drill bit very easily. It wasn't hard at all. So I got that mounted here. And then what I did was, you have your leads here, your positive and your negative. I wanted it to be, you know, nice and neat. So I just zip tied it right there on the back, ran it along the back here. You have your mounting point here, so I mean, the wires aren't even going to be in the way. Zip tied it there. And then brings it around to the box. Now the box again, solenoid box, or I think it's a relay. I'm not sure, whatever the hell it is. I just drilled two new holes, one right there, put the box down, and that's now part of the winch mount itself. I'm gonna spin it around here. I got all the electrical covers on there. Then I got everything wired up. Everything on here on the box is all color coded, so you really can't mess it up. Come around here and then they just roll up right there. So the black and red wire, I'll just be able to take that, and then whatever my power supply is, put that on the power supply. Now for these guys, for the remote, they give you these two, the black and green with quick connects, but they don't do that for the red and white. So I cut those off. And what I'm going to do, because I wanted to be able to take the remote and either put it in the truck or something like that. I didn't want to leave it with the trailer or leave it hooked up to the mount while I was driving. So since these two already have the quick connects on there, I'm gonna go and purchase two more, or just a pack of quick connects, and I'm going to do the same for the red and white on here. So then whenever I'm, I pull up to the site where I'm picking up a vehicle or whatever, I can go ahead and just quick connect everything. This will probably already be on the trailer since I'm going to be driving around and heading out that way. So I'll just grab the remote, quick connect it, and then right there you'll have your connection for your in and your out on the remote. And then the power either via battery or straight to the truck. I haven't decided yet, but yeah, it's kind of cool. I like it. I'm happy with it. Everything's on here all at once, so I don't have to leave anything on the trailer. It doesn't look more tasty to thieves. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I know a lot of people have already done this, but they do it a lot with the 12,000 pound winches, and they have all the boxes and everything right up on top. So there's really no, there's nothing really to it. You just mount it to the mounting plate and you're done. But with these ones, they come with all this extra stuff, but it doesn't, it doesn't all just sit in one piece. So this is kind of cool. I wanted it to be the same kind of concept, and I didn't want this to be mounted somewhere else, and I didn't want to put a box or anything on my trailer. So this was a good solution to that.